Now let's do an example that will cover net present value and profitability index at the same time. The two are closely related, as you'll see in a minute. And so here's the example. You've got an investment of $12,000 today that will generate the following after-tax cash flows. And always remember, in any question, what you want is after tax. Okay, if they give you pre-tax, then you have to convert it to after-tax. Part A, what is the net present value if the discount rate is 15%? Part B, what's the profitability index? So let's do the net present value first. So the net present value is equal to, I'll say, negative cost, because that's a cash outflow today. We don't need to take a present value, plus the present value of all future after-tax cash flows. And in this case, what we have, the cost is $12,000. And we have three cash flows that are positive. You got $5,000 in year one, plus $5,000 in year two, plus $8,000 in year three. But we need to discount each of these. So we divide them by 1 plus the discount rate, so 1.15, to the power of the year that you're looking at. So in the first year it would be 1, second year is 2, and third year is 3. So remember, the last one I did multiply by 1 over 1.15. In this case, I'm just dividing. It's the same thing mathematically. Okay, so then I can break this down into negative 12,000 plus positive cash flows of 13,389. Okay, and we have a positive 1389 as our net present value. And this essentially is the shareholder value added. And since NPV is greater than 0, therefore you proceed with the project. So very straightforward. Part B, once you've done the NPV, is very easy to find. Profitability index is equal to the present value of the cash in, so the cash inflows, divided by the present value of the cash outflow. And the present value of the cash inflows, we just calculated up here. Okay, so it's 13,389. And cash outflow is just going to be the cost of the investment, which is 12,000. So the profitability index is 1.1157. And what does that tell you? When you look at it, it kind of says you are recovering your investment and it is profitable, but probably not that profitable. Like you spent $12,000 to generate essentially 1,300. So would you do it or not? Yes, you would do it. But if you could find a project that generated more, then you would do that one.